for my thick girlies. If you are not thick, don't come here. This is for my thick girlies that have dark thighs. If you are not thick, please leave my video. So I want to teach you guys how you can maintain a flawless lap like this. No dark inner thighs. Your legs is actually matching your skin color. Someone like me, you're a thick girl, you don't wear tight when you are going out, then your two laps will be rubbing together. The major cause of dark inner thighs. You don't wear tight, and then there is friction between your two skin, and by the time there is friction between your two skin, it leads to darkening or hyperpigmentation of that particular area. These are the things that causes dark inner thighs: frequent friction, hormonal imbalance, shaving, can also be allergic reaction. So for the chubby girls like me that have dark inner thighs, this video is for you. It is normal. Even me, I've had dark inner thighs a lot of times. Let me tell you the secret that I used to cure my dark inner thighs, guys. I used a tretinoin and an hydroquinone combo. So first of all, it starts to get a bit darker, then it got red, then it starts to peel. So that peeling stage, you need to be careful. What I did is that I only use I use majorly hyaluronic acid on it, and my Vaseline. The Vaseline, this one I always talk about. This one and tretinoin with hydroquinone combo. There are two ways in which you can cure your dark inner thighs. I'm going to tell you guys the cosmetic procedure. I'm going to tell you guys the natural solution. So you choose one out of it, okay? So this is the triloma. You apply this on your dark thighs 3 times a week. Follow up with this Vaseline, okay? Or you apply melano free. Yeah, this is it. So you see, I'm using it. I don't come here to talk nonsense. Men's beauty, we don't do like that. I come to say what I know and what is tested and what is trusted. So listen to me, open your ear. You don't want to use English cream, obodo Igbo cream. You want to go the natural way. I did. You get your lemon. So people, they mix their lemon inside their Vaseline. Then they take it, then they apply. So people, they mix their lemon inside their Vaseline. Yeah. Then they take it, then they apply. Every night, it will clear. Some people also, they use the turmeric mix, maybe when they're bathing. They can put it there. Yeah. Turmeric mix. We added lemon so that it will not stain. So I've already wiped it off. Little staining, a little, but it's not much because of the lemon I put. So lemon will help it not to stain. Do you understand? Lemon will help it not to stain. Some people also add yogurt. For the staining, lemon will help to reduce the chances of it staining. Some people also use yogurt. Yogurt can help to reduce the chances of it staining. So another thing you can use for your dark thighs is alpha-arbutin serum. Alpha-arbutin serum is very, very good for dark inner thighs. You can also use glycolic acid toners, which I've said earlier on this video. Yes, glycolic acid is very, 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 very good for hyperpigmentation. But that glycolic acid, use it 3 times a week, and also add a Vaseline. Another thing you can use for your dark inner thighs is you can use a good scrub. Whenever you are using all this lemon, Vaseline, make sure you are using a very, very good scrub, because that scrub is what will make a difference to help to exfoliate it and make it better. But if you're using glycolic acid, don't go and use scrub again, because that's over exfoliating. If you're also using tretinoin, you have to be careful when you're using that scrub as well. When you are using tretinoin or hydroquinone on your dark thighs, you need to be very sensitive and watch it. When I started using this on my dark thighs here, I think I used 3 times a week. First of all, it started getting a bit darker. I said, what's happening? Then I stopped. When I stopped, I now bombarded my skin with just hydrating properties, hyaluronic acid, just moisturizers, and guess what? It started to peel. So when it started to peel, that place was red, because I'm light skin. That place was red. I kept on using my Vaseline and my body lotion, just a very mild one. So when I continued to do that, like, that skin was regenerated. So it really healed, and then my skin complexion came back that place. That's why you can see that it's even like that. I'm not really scared of opening my ties because I have treated them. I have treated all the dark ties, Serums, and every other thing. I've treated them. So like that place is fine. Now this is a mistake I did. After I treated them, I went back to my former ways. I wasn't wearing tights. I wasn't putting enough oils there. I was going on with constant friction, and my thighs are big. Then it came back. It came back. Hey. It did come back. So I had to start the process all over again. So after I was able to kill it, like I saw improvement in like 2 months, then I started taking precaution. You have to be able to know how to maintain your results. In skincare, you have to maintain your results. Maintaining your results is this is what it means. When I'm around the house, obviously this is how I'm wearing this bomb shot here. I take body oil, apply on my thighs. Apply on my thighs. If it gets dry after 1 hour, 2 hours, I will apply. If I'm stepping out, I'm wearing a tights. Before I wear that tight, sometimes I take powder and apply them, because 90% cause of dark ties is constant friction. So by the time you are able to eliminate constant friction, your thighs will be neat. It will be neat, trust me. Another thing that can cause dark ties is dryness and chafing. So that's why I said you should make sure that that place is evenly moisturized. Yeah. Another thing that can cause dark ties is aging. Hormonal fluctuation, estrogen levels, those things as well. But the major cause of these dark ties is friction. If you can battle with friction, at least it will look brighter. 80%, which I can assure you of that. Yeah. Let me know if this has helped you. Let me know if also you tried other remedies and it helped you, so we can help other people in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I remain Mel's Beauty. Thank you. Follow me. Please subscribe for more videos like this. So guys, let's talk about dark ties. Dark ties are very common amongst women, especially if you have a thick ties like mine or bigger than mine.